Hi everyone, I'm Fiona Guarino. Let us know more about reflection, refraction, and mirrors. First, let us know the definition of light. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see objects in straight line that travels, called ray of light. Now let us discuss the reflection of light. Reflection of light is the process of sending back the light rays which falls on the surface of an object. The image formed due to deflection of an object on a plane mirror is at different places. Next is refraction of light. Refraction is the bending of light. It also happens with sound, water, and other waves as it passes from one transparent substance into another. Now let us answer the first question. What are the laws of reflection and refraction? The laws of reflection of light apply to both plane mirror and spherical mirror. First law of reflection. According to the first law, the incident ray, reflected ray, and normal all lie in the same plane. Second law of reflection. According to the second law, the angle of reflection is always equal to the angle of incidence. Laws of refraction. When a beam of light passes through two different media via an interface, its behavior is governed by the laws of refraction of light. These laws are also known as Snell's law. Two laws of refraction. The two laws followed by a beam of light traversing through two media are the incident ray, refracted ray, and the normal. To the interface of two media at the point of incidence all lie on the same plane. Second, the ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence to the sine of the angle of refraction is constant. This is also known as Snell's law of refraction. Second question. What are the characteristics of different types of mirror? First, plane mirror. These are flat mirrors that reflected images in their normal proportion, reversed from left to right. Second, concave mirror. Concave mirrors are spherical mirrors that curve inward like a spoon. Third, convex mirror. Convex mirror are also known as spherical mirrors. Third question, what are the characteristics of concave and convex mirror images? A concave mirror has a reflective surface that is curved inward and away from light source. Concave mirrors reflect light inward to one focal point. Unlike convex mirrors, the image formed by a concave mirror shows different image types depending on the distance between the object and the mirror. Fourth question. What are the four principal rays used to draw a ray diagram? First, pick a point on the top of the object and draw two incident rays traveling towards the mirror. Using a straight edge, accurately draw one ray so that it passes exactly through the focal point on the way to the mirror. Second, once this incident ray strikes the mirror, reflect them according to the two rules of reflection for concave mirrors. The ray that passes through the focal point on the way to the mirror will reflect and travel parallel to the principal axis, using a straight edge to accurately draw its path. Third, mark the image of the top of the object. The image point of the top of the object is the point where the two reflected rays intersect. If you were to draw a third pair of incident and reflected rays, then the third reflected ray will like to pass through its point. Fourth, repeat the process for the bottom of the object. The goal of a ray diagram is to determine the size, location, orientation, and type of image that is formed by a concave mirror. Fifth question. How is reflection of light evidenced in nature? In the absence of light, it is impossible to see surrounding structure like buildings, the ocean, the cars parked on the driveways, and everything else around you. Why is this so? It's so because these objects are made visible by reflecting visible rays of light incident on them into your eyes. In the absence of sunlight, the objects cannot reflect any rays of light into our eyes. The walls of a building are visible during the day, but invisible at night because the sun has changed its position. Now I'm gonna show you an experiment about reflection and refraction. In this reflection of light experiment, you're gonna need a mirror, a flashlight,
and a comb that is covered with thick paper, and I cut the middle part. A pencil, that's my pencil, and the bond paper. Lean the mirror on the wall, and then put the flashlight behind the comb to make light towards the mirror. Now, mark the light rays on the bond paper using a pencil. The aim of this experiment is to find out how a light beam's angle of incidence compares to its angle of reflection. Now, use a protractor to measure the angle of incidence and angle of reflection. So the center line is called the normal line and the left side is called the angle of incidence. It is 20 degrees and the right side is the angle of reflection, which is also 20 degrees. So it's really equal. Next is experiment for the refraction of light. You're gonna need a coin, a cup or a mug, and some water. Put the coin inside the mug. You can't see the coin for now. Now pour the water into the mug. As the water level rises the cup, the image of the coin becomes visible. Because refraction is the change in direction of a light wave due to the change of its medium. An incident ray of the coin strikes the surface of the water. The refracted ray changes direction as it reaches the eye as the light passes from one medium to another, the air and water.
This video about reflection and refraction is made by me, Fiona Isabel El Guarino from Grade 10 St. Benedict. This is submitted to Sir Paulo del Carmen.